I have a Singer 6180 Brilliance sewing machine with an error code E5. What does that mean?
What's the sewing machine's make and model? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Singer 61802 or 3 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Depends on what the error code means.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Don't think so.
Hi, thank you for contacting JustAnswer.com. My name is will do my best to provide the right answer to your question.
Thank you. I will be able to fix it if I know what is wrong with it. Manual didn't have E5 code listed.
Understood. Tell me, is the arrow E5 on the sewing machine itself, or on the computer screen? And, does the machine operate at all at this point? Also, please state your local zip code, in case I need it. I suggest turning it off by pulling the power plug, then waiting 10 minutes to let it cool and reset thoroughly, then plugging it in again, and waiting to see whether the error, or some other error, appears at once without your doing anything. Or appears after you try to resume operations. If so, at what point? Let me know how that goes, please.
Zip code 13,827. The Singer 6180 is an electronic machine and the needle goes down about 1/3 of the way. Needle stops and machine beeps. If I turn machine off and turn back on, it resets itself, but does the same thing as soon as I try to sew. If the machine is off and I turn the wheel by hand, it will sew just fine. Error code shows after I try to sew.
Try first, before taking it for service, opening the area the needle descends into, taking out the bobbin holder and the bobbin, and using a clean, dry brush to whisk thoroughly all possible fuzz, dander, thread bits, etc. from the area the needle descends into. Also clean with the brush around the needle, too. Then from a powered off status, turn the machine on, thread the needle and place the bobbin thread correctly, and see if it works after such a dry brush cleaning. If not, if the E5 repeats itself, then I would say to contact your nearest Singer authorized service center, and try for having warranty repair done on the machine. It ought to be still covered by warranty for the servicing, since Singer's warranty is exceptionally long. If you need further help or advice on any particular, please reply and I will continue to help and advise.
Did all that, so what does the code E5 mean?
It might mean a sensor, for example. A thread tangle sensor is tripping when it shouldn't be tripping, or perhaps owing to thread debris or fluff fouling it, if it is an optical light sensor. Or it might be a circuit board error, perhaps simulating such a sensor error. But it certainly needs servicing. It's a serious error if cleaning won't help with it. And at 2 years or less than 3 years old, your machine and its workings are still covered by Singer, whose warranty coverage is exceptionally long for an electronics device company. Let me know if you need further information, or if that is enough information and help for you to handle and deal with this problem.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. I hope my efforts helped with the problem. Please have a good day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.